Independence Day to everyone. Today I want to present the story of freedom as a poem. Once there was a country full of words complimentary. It is also called Sone ki Chudiya. It's one and only India. India was famous for diamond and precision and diamonds. They were becoming superpower soon, but then came a gloom. Gloomy was rule of Britishers which became for India punished. The British rule grew and grew. Then many freedom fighters came which forced Britishers to stop their game. This means India united and this unity diversity is built. At last in 1947